The other method that we can use to clean finish the edge of a neckline is to use bias binding or bias tape. The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available on Fashion Premier Academy. Click the link below. Roll it! Okay, this is bias tape or bias binding. It comes in different colors, different widths, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, all different kinds of sizes and colors. And what it is a pre-made bias tape. And if I open this tape, you'll notice that it's folded. It's already pre-folded. It's folded in once, twice, and then one more time to create a bias tape. And the neckline, any neckline or any edge of the fabric basically, is sandwiched inside the fold of the bias binding. I have pinned just a few inches of the neckline and pretend that the pin is actually the sewing machine running over the bias tape, so that it's clean on both the outside and the inside, both nice, clean finish. Like I said, it comes in different colors and sizes. So here is a 1/4 inch white bias binding on a piece of denim. Looks really nice, nice and clean. And here it is, black on black, black tape on black fabric. I used white thread to show you how it's put on, but if you use black thread, it would look nice and clean and invisible like that.